Now, GC Foster College A have claimed the Intercol senior netball title after beating Michael A 40-31 in Thursday's final at St. Andrew High. GC Foster led from the start and never looked back, winning all quarters 11-7, 20-15 and 30-20. Goal shooter Michaela Walker led the way for GC Foster, scoring 24 goals from 33 attempts. She got good support from goal attack Jada Ricketts, who had 16 goals from 23 attempts. Khadija Wright had 23 goals for Michael A.
Well, we wanted to set the pace from the first whistle, and we did just that. The spacing of the court was important to us because we know that if there are one-on-one situations, we're likely to win those battles. And on defense, we wanted to ensure that we led the charge with the physicality.
In the third place playoff, Moneague College got the better of Church's Teachers College 44-35.